Assalamu alaikum class 8. Hopefully you all will be good. Today I am going to start unit number 3. It's my 15th lecture. Today date is 7 July 2020 and day is Tuesday. So the title of unit number 3 is Media and its impact. So we are going to learn about media and its impact, mean its impression on us, its powerful impact on us. So there are two means of communication, two kind of media. See, it's electronic media, a computer is shown, and print media, a newspaper is shown in picture in first page. So we are going to learn about how we can communicate with each other, how we can get knowledge and information, and how we can entertain through media. So we are going to learn about media and its impression, its expression on us, powerful impact on us. See, it's on page number 22. Miss Aisha is the favorite teacher of class 10. So class 9 की मैम आयशा जो है वो बहुत ही ज़्यादा फेवरेट टीचर हैं. द स्टूडेंट्स eagerly attended her class. Eagerly means with keen interest. So all the students always attend her class with very keen interest. कि वो बहुत ही दिलचस्पी के साथ उनकी क्लास को अटेंड करते हैं. Miss Aisha enters the classroom with her usual smile. Greets means welcome the students and take the roll call attendance. So Miss Aisha enters the room with smile. She welcome the students and take the attendance of the students. It is their tutorial day. Tutorial means the day on which they do some discussion on some important topic. That is called tutorial. So it's a discussion session is going on in their class. So it was the tutorial day. In the class, the students are all geared up. Geared up means ready. So the students were ready to do debate and discussion about the topic. They know what is about to come and they are prepared for it. So all the students know what will be going on in the class and they were all prepared. So they have prepared the topic of the tutorial and they were all ready. Geared up means they were all ready. जितने भी स्टूडेंट्स थे वो डिबेट के लिए या डिस्कशन के लिए तैयार थे. उन्हें पता था कि कौन सा टॉपिक है और वो उसको बहुत अच्छी तरह से तैयार कर आए हुए थे. See the question number 1 given in your test. Guess the meaning of tutorial. So we have to guess the meaning of tutorial. So in a period of time in a class in which the students and teacher has some discussion on a specific topic is called tutorial. Shall we start? She asked politely. So teacher is asking politely that shall we start कि क्या हम शुरू करें? Yes. The students nod. Nod means say yes to move their head, to bow their head. कि वो उन्होंने अपने सर को झुकाकर yes कहा कि yes we have to start the debate. Teacher, okay. As we had decided earlier, the topic for today's discussion is the role of media and its impact. So it is the topic, the role of media and its impact. On this topic the class is going to discuss. So it was their topic. Today's topic was the role of media and its impact. यानी इस टॉपिक पे क्लास में डिबेट होने वाली है. टीचर जो है अनाउंस कर रही हैं कि वी हैव डिसाइडेड अर्लियर, हमने ये पहले ही से डिसाइड कर लिया था कि हम इस टॉपिक पर क्लास में डिबेट करेंगे. टू स्टार्ट विद लेट मी स्टेट क्लियरली द मीडिया इज़ द मोस्ट पावरफुल मोड ऑफ कम्युनिकेशन. सो बिफोर स्टार्टिंग द टॉपिक she is saying that I state means बयान करना, to say clearly that media is the most powerful mode of communication means it's a resource of message. So we can get message from media. It shares news and information with the people. So we know it shares news, ये खबरों को बांटता है and information और जो मालूमात हैं. So it shares news and information with the people कि लोगों के साथ वो मालूमात और ख़बरों को बांटता है. Sometimes media spread false news. False means fake news. बाज़ दफ़ा मीडिया जो है गलत खबरें फैलाता है, but generally it informs us about the fact around us. So most of the time the media is telling the facts around us, the facts of the world around us. So we know about the society, what is going on, and media tells us and give us awareness about the information and the news around us. Do you agree? So teacher is saying एंड आस्किंग द स्टूडेंट्स डू यू एग्री, क्या आप इस पे एग्री करते हैं या इस बात को मानते हैं। स्टूडेंट्स, ऑल स्टूडेंट्स आर सेइंग यस वी डू, कि हाँ हम इस बात को मानते हैं दैट द मीडिया इज़ द मोड ऑफ कम्युनिकेशन and it gives us news and information. Sometimes it spread fake news, but most of the time it tells us awareness and information about the society. See the question, what type of information does media provide? It is easy, you have to start it here. Media is the most powerful mode of communication. It shares news and information with the people. Student 1. So the dialogues is going to start. First the teacher introduce the topic, and then she tell about media, what is media, just the definition of media she has discussed. Now students has said yes we agree about the information teacher has given. Now student 1, अब student 1 जो है वो अपनी information जो है share करने लगा. Student 1, see colon is there, so dialogues are going to be start, यानी debate में dialogues के accordingly इस चैप्टर को लिखा गया है, dialogues के through debate होगी. So student 1 the student 1 say I would like to add a bit more to it. मैं इसमें कुछ और इजाफा करना चाहता हूँ. I want to add some more information in it. Teacher, yes sure. Student 1, media helps people to share knowledge of the world. So through media the people share knowledge of the world. Their feelings and opinions are expressed through it. So they tell us their feelings and their opinion. Their opinion means ideas. So they tell their ideas through media. Media attracts the attention of a very large audience. So audience here means people. So all kind of media, print media or electronic media, attracts the attention of the people, and it gives information and knowledge and news to so many people. So many people are getting information and knowledge through media. That's why it is attended by a very large people, a very large audience. Have you noticed that the first thing we do soon after entering the house is to watch on the television? So what is the first thing we do whenever we enter the house? We switch on the television. Teacher, there is no doubt about it. Teacher is agreed, and she said there is no doubt about it that we switch on television when we enter the room. It is our habit that we have habitual to see TV, to get information, to get some knowledge or news, and sometimes we want some entertainment by watching television. That's why we switch on television whenever we enter the house, and teacher agreed it. See next page. It's on page number 23. Student 2. Now next student is telling about media. Let me say that media has become a part of our life. It not only informs us but also entertains us. Entertains means amuse us. So next student is saying, I want to tell that the media has become the part of our life. Without media we cannot survive. So it not only give us information but also it amuse us. ये हमें ना सिर्फ मालूमात देता है बल्कि ये हमें इंटरटेनमेंट यानी तफरीह भी फराहम करता है. यानी मीडिया के ज़रिए हम इंटरटेनमेंट या तफरीह भी हासिल कर सकते हैं. टीचर, एब्सोल्युटली राइट. वेल, डू यू हैव एनी आइडिया अबाउट द टू मेजर मीन्स ऑफ कम्युनिकेशन? सो यू नो दैट देयर आर टू मेजर मीन्स ऑफ कम्युनिकेशन. दो अहम मालूमात के ज़रिए हैं यानी ज़राए अबलाग हैं. उर्दू में हम ज़राए अबलाग कहेंगे. मीन्स ऑफ कम्युनिकेशन इन इंग्लिश यू कैन से रिसोर्सेज ऑफ मैसेज. Different messages we can get from two major means. What are they? Student 3. There are two means of communication: electronic media and print media. So we have two. Electronic media, through electronic media we can get knowledge, and print media, the media includes film, radio, television, internet, books, magazines and newspaper. It provides us information as well as entertainment. So you know that film, radio, television and internet is about electronic media, and in print media we have books, magazines and newspaper. कि इलेक्ट्रॉनिक मीडिया को अगर हम देखें तो इसमें फिल्म्स, रेडियो, टेलीविज़न और इंटरनेट आएंगे. और अगर हम प्रिंट मीडिया की बात करें तो इसमें प्रिंट मीडिया में बुक्स, मैगजीन्स और न्यूज़पेपर आएंगे. सो इट प्रोवाइड्स अस इंफॉर्मेशन एज वेल एज इंटरटेनमेंट. सो वी गेट इंटरटेनमेंट एज वेल एज इंफॉर्मेशन, कि हमें मालूमात भी फ्राहम करता है और यह हमें तफरीह भी फ्राहम करता है। टीचर गुड, इट्स थ्रू मीडिया दैट द वर्ल्ड हैज़ बिकम अ ग्लोबल विलेज। ग्लोबल विलेज मीन्स वर्ल्ड वाइड कम्युनिकेशन, यानी हम मीडिया के ज़रिए एक जो है ग्लोबल विलेज बन चुके हैं। वी कैन गेट नॉलेज फ्रॉम एनी वेयर, देयर इज़ कवरेज ऑफ ऑल द इम्पोर्टेंट इवेंट्स ऑफ द वर्ल्ड ऑन टेलीविजन। कवरेज मीन्स रिपोर्टिंग, सो थ्रू मीडिया वी कैन get any reporting and any information about the important events of the world on television. We can have an easy access to all kind of information through media. So through media we can get an access, we can reach any kind of information of the world. So worldwidely we can get the information. That's why it is said that because of this media the world has become ग्लोबल विलेज, की दुनिया जो है एक ग्लोबल विलेज बन चुकी है, जिसमें हर तरह की इंफॉर्मेशन हमारे पास बहुत ही आसानी के साथ पहुंच जाती हैं। थ्रू टेलीविज़न वी कैन गेट एनी नॉलेज एंड एनी इंफॉर्मेशन अबाउट द वर्ल्ड। स्टूडेंट 4, कैन वी से दैट द वर्ल्ड इज़ जस्ट अ क्लिक अवे। सो अ क्लिक अवे आर हिट ऑफ। सो स्टूडेंट 4 इज सेइंग कि हम ये कह सकते हैं कि दुनिया जो है हमारी एक बटन दबाने के फासले पर है, कि अगर हम एक क्लिक करेंगे, एक बटन दबाएंगे और उसके बाद जितनी भी इंफॉर्मेशन है किसी भी टॉपिक पे वो हमारे सामने आ जाएगी। सो इट इज़ यस, ऑन इंटरनेट वी कैन गेट एनी नॉलेज फ्रॉम द वर्ल्ड, एनी इंफॉर्मेशन अबाउट एनी सब्जेक्ट एंड एनी थिंग अबाउट द कंट्री। वी कैन गेट नॉलेज थ्रू इंटरनेट बाय क्लिक अ बटन। सिर्फ एक बटन दबाने से हमें सारी इंफॉर्मेशन हासिल हो सकती है। टीचर maybe, well, would any other student like to say something on it? So teacher is announcing that any student who want to share his knowledge. Miss Aisha points to the students sitting at the end. So Miss Aisha is pointing to the students who are sitting at the end, that if any one of them wants to share their knowledge. Student 5, madam, in my opinion media plays a very constructive role for the society. Constructive role means positive role. So student 5 is saying that in his idea, in his opinion, media is playing very positive role for the society. It raises awareness about many social issues. ये बहुत से जो social issues हैं उनके बारे में आगाही को पैदा करता है, like corruption, terrorism, drug addiction and violation of human rights. So through media we can get knowledge about corruption, terrorism, drug addiction and violation of human rights. So all of these social evils, social issues can be known through media. That is the positive role of media. कि अगर हम मीडिया का पॉजिटिव रोल डिस्कस करें तो पॉजिटिव रोल में मीडिया कैन शो अस द सोशल इश्यूज ऑफ द सोसाइटी। टीचर यस, यू आर राइट। स्टूडेंट 6, media has also become a mouthpiece of the downtrodden. Mouthpiece means responsible, okay, representative, कि वो उनकी नुमाइंदगी करने वाले बन जाते हैं। और downtrodden means जो मजलूम है उन लोगों की, the persons who are bearing some threat. So media is telling about the people who are in trouble and they have रिप्रेजेंटेटर ऑफ दीज पीपल, कि उन लोगों की वो रिप्रेजेंटेटर बन जाते हैं। टीचर यस, वेल सेड, तुमने बहुत अच्छा कहा। यू वुड नॉट बी रॉन्ग टू से दैट मीडिया इज़ द मोस्ट विजिलेंट इंस्टीट्यूशन दैट कीप्स एन आई ऑन एवरी सेगमेंट ऑफ द सोसाइटी। विजिलेंट मीन्स बहुत चौकन्ना होना, इट्स मीन कीप एन शार्प आई, बहुत ही गहरी नज़र होना, कि बहुत चौकन्ना एक वह इदारा है। इंस्टीट्यूशन मीन्स इदारा है जो कि माशरे की हर एक जगह की खबर रखता है और उस पर नज़र रखता है। सो थ्रू मीडिया वी कैन कीनली ऑब्जर्व द इंफॉर्मेशन ऑफ एवरी वेयर, कि हमें हर जगह की खबर मिल जाती है। वी कैन नो एनी थिंग अबाउट आवर सोसाइटी थ्रू डिबेट्स, रिपोर्ट्स एंड टॉक शोज। इट मेक्स एवरी वन अवेयर, answerable and accountable. So through debates, we know through discussions, reports. Different reports are shown on television and talk shows. In different talk shows, different guests come and talk about different social issues. It makes everyone answerable and accountable. So accountable means responsible. So it makes everyone answerable and accountable about their work. कि जितने भी वो काम कर रहे हैं किसी भी सोशल इशू पे अगर डिबेट होती है तो वो उसके बारे में आंसरेबल है एंड रिस्पॉन्सिबल है. That is why media has become an integral part of our lives. Integral means very important part of our life. So media has become a very important part of our life. Now I would invite one of you to sum up the discussion. Sum up means to make conclude कि उसका जो निचोड़ है या जो उसका रिज़ल्ट है वो जो है कोई बताए. नाउ टीचर इज सेइंग दैट आई वांट वन स्टूडेंट टू कंक्लूड द डिस्कशन. Student 1. I would conclude the discussion by saying that media can play a positive role and has a corrective impact if it works honestly. So if the media play its role honestly, it can play a positive role and corrective impact. Corrective means do correction of any problem. So through media we can correct ourselves and it play a very important role if the media is working honestly. Teacher, good conclusion. I am happy that all of you have participated in this discussion and have expressed yourself very well. So teacher is saying good discussion, good conclusion. ये बहुत अच्छा नतीजा है और मैं बहुत खुश हूँ कि आप सब ने इस डिस्कशन में यानी इस बहसों मुबाहिसे में हिस्सा लिया है, पार्टिसिपेट किया है. and have expressed yourself very well and you all expressed yourself very well. So there are two role of media. First one positive role and corrective role, and the other role is the negative role. If the media is not working honestly, what happen? It will give us fake news and it betray us. But if it play positive role, it can help us to improve ourselves, to improve our society and overcome social evils. Now the bell rings. Miss Aisha says goodbye to the class and leave. So at the end the bell ring and Miss Aisha say goodbye to the class and leave the class. It's your chapter. Now I want to show you difficult words meaning and question answers from your text. Now words meaning. See the topic media and its impact. Eagerly, full of keen desire. Greets, welcome. Tutorial, lesson or class. Geared up, ready. Not bored. Bow and discussion, conversation. Expressed, articulate. Entertains, amuse. Means of communication, resources of message. Global, village, worldwide, community. Coverage, reporting. Click away or hit it off. Constructive role, positive role. A mouthpiece, a representative. Downtrodden, browbeaten यानी जो मजलूम होते हैं उनको कहते हैं. Vigilant, sharp eye यानी बहुत ज़्यादा चौकन्ना होना. Debates, discussion. Essential, integral. Countable, responsible. Corrective impact, remedial, crash. So see the question number 1. Question number 1, guess the meaning of tutorial. A period of teaching in class that involves discussion between teacher and student is called tutorial. That is the definition, that if we discuss any topic in the class and a debate between teacher and student, it is called tutorial. Question number 2. What type of information does media provide? Media is a powerful mode of communication. It provides us information about current happening in the country and world. It also provides entertainment. Question number 3. Is taking away the habit of reading. TV is taking away the habit of reading to some extent, as people spend most of their time on watching television. Question number 4 is given in your book. It is your home task. You will try to write the answer to your own. The question is, what is your favorite TV program? Why? So you will write almost 5 to 6 lines about your favorite TV program and why this program is favorite for you. That is your home task. It's enough. Love is class.